Hi, welcome back. This is Big Boys Toys, and today, guys, I'm presenting you a small video. That is as I had told you before in my previous video, I had to bring a new house for my guinea pigs and hamsters. So, I've just brought it today, and just have a small look on it. So guys, as I told you, it's a small house which I have brought, and this is the house for them. That is you can see there are two floors for them where they are where they can completely play and spend their time so you can see there is ladder to climb all up, and there is a running wheel for hamsters where they can do their exercises, and also over here they can just sit for some time or rest for some time, and these are the place where they will be roaming all around, so you can just have a look. So this is the new home for them which I have brought, and also come on guys, I will show you the current houses what they are living in. So this is the current place where they are living. This cage is actually a lovebirds cage where I have put these hamsters. So where they are not so happy, they keep biting the strings over here. They want to get out of the cage. They don't have anything to play over there, and I had put paper for the floor, they have bit, you can check, and they are not so happy over here. And coming on to the guinea pigs, you can see the cage which is very horrible, and the condition is too bad actually over here. So I just thought to bring them a new home where they will enjoy, and they were I had given their food and water in the bowls there, where it was not so good actually. They could not have their food peacefully. All the food has been spilled down, and it was no good place for them. They were not so active also, because this is a kind of a cage where they don't have any play area or any toys for them, and even it was my home has become so dirty over here. You can see so it was smelling very bad, so that is why I had to bring a new home for them. So let us start shifting them to their place. Okay, one moment. So guys, now I'm moving them to their new home. So first let us move the hamsters. Okay, and this guy is very eager to come out of this cage, so he's come into my palm. So let us move him to his new house. Sorry baby. So this is your new home, new place where you can play around. So he said there, he started exploring his place already, and there is water also. There are 2 bottles of water. Yes, you can check there. And this guy, he is exploring the place. And let us move another hamster here. This guy, he was very eager to come out of the cage. Now he will come out. He is kind of a bit sleepy now, so but still now he is again active, and let us move him to his new home. Okay, and here Here is your new home. You can go there. Yes. So now the hamsters are in their new home. Now it's time for the guinea pigs to move in. So let us move the guinea pigs now. So let's open the cage. The cage is open. Please come. Come. They are scared actually. Like for 2 whole days they were locked inside. I didn't bring them outside. I didn't, so they are scared. So like I'm just moving. I need to catch them and by myself, and I will have to. Actually, this is not how we should handle. So now I'm just leaving them into their. Yes, he's running. He wants to move. Yes, he's very hungry actually. Like as I showed you people, the food was not available there. Like it was completely fallen down. So it's the time for this guy to move into his new home. So I will be moving this guy. He's very naughty. He will not stay in a single place. Whoa. He's very. Even this guy is too hungry. So he started munching his food. So you can see they are very hungry and they are already having their food now. So and the hamster, one guy is already like roaming over here, exploring the place, and another guy over there, the big fat guy, is also exploring the ground floor. So guys, this is all for today. So if you like this video, just put it in comments, and how you felt the house. I mean, how do you like to describe, or what would you like to say about the houses? I mean, house of these people. You can explain. I mean, you can put it in comment, and that will be a small inspiration for me to bring more videos where you can like have a look. Okay. And now, guys, even the hamster, like, this guy, he wants to come out of the cage. He wants to roam all over my home, because these hamsters are very curious creatures. They are very active and they keep exploring places where they live. And the hamsters, even they too explore, but they are I mean, they are like in eating food. Like these guys are very foodie people. They want to have their food every time, but still so cute. They are showing. So this is all for today, guys. So let us close the door. They will be exploring, and they'll be having their dinner. Actually, this is night time where I'm doing the video. So this will be the. So guys, this is all for today, and please let me know how you felt looking at the house. Like, did you like the house for my pets, what I brought? Just let me know in the comments. Okay, so take care. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.